Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this lesson we will learn how to create email, how to delete an email, how to configure an email, how to configure a spam filter on an email and cPanel. Now we go to our web browser. In here now we go to cPanel. In this tutorial we will learn how to create email. For creating email, first of all we should go to email accounts. We open it in new tab. In the new tab, now we click on create. We choose our domain. We choose militarycontracting.co.uk. We choose the username test. We generate a password. Optional settings. In here we can choose the storage of our mailbox. We can choose from 1 megabyte to any megabyte that we want, or we can choose unlimited. We can choose that for this email address it should create a new folder, or it should use the same folder with other emails. Now we click on create. Email has been created. Test at militarycontracting.co.uk. We have three options in here. We click on all three and we will work about all of them. When we click on check mail, in this, for checking our email, we have two softwares. One of them is Horde and one of them is Roundcube. We choose Roundcube and click on open. In here we have received an email that we have created our email. Now we can change it. We can use it online on mobile or on tablet or on browser. We can click on compose to compose an email, to send an email. Mail contacts, we want to add some contacts we want to add some contacts to connect them shortly. We have calendar to check when we should email for someone. Or we have setting for changing some options in mail. Then we have another options that we said manage an email account. For managing an email account, we can change the password, we can change the data size or the storage. And we have another options that is so useful for some of people. We have restrictions. There is some emails that can only send emails, cannot receive emails. For this, receiving email should be allowed or suspended. Some emails should be able to only send email, to not receive email. Or some emails are suspended for outgoing, cannot send. Sometimes we receive some emails that are written "do not reply at domain.com." They are all for this. They are suspended for outgoing, or we can suspend logging in. If we suspend it, no one can log into his email. We can update the email setting, or we can delete the email account. And here we have another option: connect devices. For connecting devices, we have two protocols, IMAP and POP3. For Windows Mail Live, we have four options: IMAP over SSL, IMAP without SSL, POP3 over SSL, and POP3 without SSL. But on iOS and macOS, we have only IMAP over SSL, and IMAP without SSL. iOS do not support POP3. For this, now we want to add our email address to Mail of Windows. For this, we click on Mail. Now we click here, Manage Accounts, Add Account. Now we click on IMAP or POP. Email address. First, we should paste the password. Yes, it's the correct password. Now we type our name. For incoming mail server, we have this, to copy this, and both of them are the same for POP3 and IMAP. We choose IMAP 4. We click on sign in. Now we have successfully signed in to our email account. Now in here we have one of the most important sections in email that we should learn about that. have configure gray listing. For configure gray listing, there are some softwares for email marketing. They use for this to analyze email accounts and send a bulk email for all of them. If we turn on it, it will detect emails and will send it to a spam folder. And if we turn off it, we will receive that mails. We have another option in here, that's a spam filter. A spam filter, we want that spam should be moved to spam folder. Sometimes we want to check an spam folder if there is some emails that we need, or we can turn on this to automatically delete spam folders. It means that the email should directly be deleted. It will not go to a spam folder. Thank you guys for watching. Up to next video. Have a nice day.